Data breaches are often devastating, with millions affected each time. Is there any data leak protection we can even use? Here at Cybernews, we've reported on countless breaches over the years, so naturally, we know what to do with data leakage and how to stop data breach incidents from damaging your life. But first, you have to understand, once the website suffers a data breach, there's no way to recover that info. It's already out there, and that's why data leak prevention is the best solution. There are a lot of information security apps that can proactively protect your data. We've tested them and included the best options in the description below. Data breaches can be very dangerous, so don't wait for the damage. Click the links and protect yourself right away. I know you're wondering, all these companies that leak data and get breached, why don't they do something about it? Well, they do. Companies use a variety of methods, from sophisticated encryption and minimization of collected data to comprehensive audits and even AI monitoring, all to make sure there's no unauthorized accesses or suspicious activities that could threaten their security. And yet they fail. Even industry giants like Microsoft, Amazon, or Apple are not immune to data breaches. Hardly surprising if you think about it. What is a data breach if not a failure by the companies to keep your data? And it would be fine if it were only usernames and passwords that got leaked. Wait, no, it still wouldn't be, as credentials are the most active types of stolen data. They can be used to probe your other accounts, and in that case, I really hope you're not using the same passwords everywhere. Threat actors can also do a lot with personally identifiable information. This leaked data is used to fuel phishing campaigns and other social engineering attacks, abusing the fact that nobody shady is supposed to know those things. You're more likely to trust a call from a pretend tax attorney, calling you by name and using your actual address and phone number during the conversation. But while this data opens you to further attacks, it's not the worst. The worst is when hard identifiers are leaked. With your social security number, dates of birth, and the driver's license data, it's no longer just scams you have to be worried about. Threat actors could use this information to take out loans in your name and ruin your credit history, or even worse, commit identity fraud, potentially creating a criminal record you might not know about for years. That's why we here at Cybernews believe in using all we can to prevent damaged data breaches and leaks caused to users. Our team have tested a variety of cybersecurity apps to find the ones that help users like you the most. For instance, password managers let you keep unique, hard-to-crack passwords and different logins for every website you use. This means that even if one account is leaked, all you have to do is change your credentials for it. No duplicated passwords equals zero risk of credential stuffing, so nothing else is affected. Top providers like NordPass even remind users when they have duplicated or weak passwords. A proper antivirus is protecting you from a completely different threat. The majority of social engineering attacks aim to plant malware on your device, so with preventative anti-malware protection, antiviruses block those attempts. And on top of that, the best providers like Norton or Bitdefender offer special features that can even detect deepfakes and phishing campaigns when you come across one. Of course, VPNs are also worth mentioning for online protection. They anonymize your traffic and make it impossible for anyone to track your activities back to you. Besides, dark web monitoring features like the one NordVPN offers can even detect if a new breach is released with your data in it, letting you take steps to prevent personal damage. What you have to understand is that breaches will keep happening. Even top companies don't invest enough in their cybersecurity, so there's no other way but to take matters into our own hands. Invest in personal data protection and use all you can to defend yourself. The apps I mentioned earlier have all been tested by the Cybernews team, and they provide the protection you need to negate consequences of data leaks and breaches. Check the links in the description to protect yourself at the best price point. I hope your data will never show up in a data breach or a leak. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online, everyone.